Good morning students. Welcome to 9th standard geometry. Lesson number 1, Basic Concepts in Geometry, Module 1. Before going to the chapter, let's discuss with the learning objectives. After this lesson, students must be able to identify and define points, lines, line segments, rays and planes, and classify the angles as acute, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle, and properties of angles, triangles and quadrilaters through activities. Introduction. Students, do you want to know what geometry is? This word is actually derived from the Greek words geometron. Now, geometron is actually made of two words, geo, which means earth, and metron means measurement. So, geometry is the mathematical study of all shapes and figures. It can be seen everywhere in our everyday life. We live in a world of shapes, and here we shall see how the mathematics helps us understand the basics of geometry. Let's study this topic in detail. Let's learn basic concepts in geometry, that is point, line and plane. Students, we do not define numbers. Similarly, we do not define a point, line and plane also. These are some basic concepts in geometry. The lines and planes are set of points. A point is an exact location on that plane. It has no size. And next is the line. The basic concepts of a line is its straightness and it extends indefinitely in both directions. The two arrowheads in the opposite direction indicates that the length of a line is unlimited. It has length only and it has no breadth or thickness. It has no endpoints. It is made up of infinite number of points. And next is plane. Plane is a two-dimensional surface. And coordinates of points and distance. Observe the following number line. Students, you have already studied in a number line, the right of the zeros are positive numbers and left of the zeros are negative numbers. In this number line, the point D denotes the number 1. Therefore, the coordinates of the point D is 1. And the point B denotes the number -3 on the number line. Hence, the coordinate of the point B is -3. Similarly, the coordinate of the point R is -1 and the coordinate of the point E is 3. How to find the distance with the help of coordinate of points? Observe the number line. In this number line, the point D is 3 units away from the point E. It means the distance between the point D and E is 3 units by counting the number of units. Now let us see how to find the distance with the help of coordinate of points. To find the distance between 2 points, consider their coordinates and subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. In this number line, the coordinate of the point D is 5 and coordinate of the point E is 2. We know that 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, the distance between the points D and E is equals 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, the distance between the points D and E is denoted as D of D, E. That is, distance DE is equal to 3. Distance between the point D and E is also same as the length of the segment DE. Therefore, distance DE is equal to length of DE is equal to 3, and distance DE is same as distance ED, that also is equal to 3. Example 1. Observe the following number line and find the distance AB. First write what is the coordinate of A and coordinate of B. Solution. In this number line, the coordinate of A is -5 and coordinate of B is -4. And we know that -4 greater than -5. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to -4 minus -5. That is equal -4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, distance of AB is equal to 1. Remember these points. The distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Second point, the distance between two distinct points is always positive number. Let us learn betweenness. If P, Q and R are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. The first one, point Q is between P and R. Second one, point R is between P and Q. And third one, point P is between R and Q. First one, the point Q is between P and R. Then the betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. And second one, point R is between P and Q. That means P dash R dash Q. And third one, point P is between R and Q. That means R dash P dash Q. If distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal distance of PR, then it is said that the point Q is between P and R. The betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R or R dash Q dash P. Let's move on your practice set 1.1. Question 1. Find the distance with the help of the number line given below. In this question, the number line is given. Your first question is find distance of BE. Then solution. Observe the number line. Then first to write what is the coordinate of B and E. The coordinate of the point B is 2 and coordinate of the point E is 5. We know that 5 is greater than 2. Then distance of BE. That is the distance between the 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinates. Therefore, it is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance of BE is equals 3. Find the distance of JA. And solution. First to write what is the coordinate of the point J and coordinate of the point A. Here observe the number line, then write coordinate of the point J is -2 and coordinate of the point A is 1. Then we know that here 1 is greater than -2. Therefore, distance of JA is equal to bigger number minus smaller number, that is 1 minus -2. That is equal 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, distance of JA is equal to 3. Your question 3. Distance of PC. Here also same method. The solution, the coordinate of the point P is -4 and coordinate of the point C is 3. Since 3 is greater than -4, therefore distance of PC is equal to 3 minus -4, that is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Therefore distance of PC is equal to 7. And question 5. Find the distance of K and O. Here also solution. The coordinate of the point K is -3 and coordinate of the point O is 0. Which is the bigger number here? Here it is the greatest number is 0, and therefore since 0 is greater than -3, therefore distance of KO is equal to 0 minus -3, that is equal to 0 plus 3. Therefore distance of KO is equal to 3. Question 2. If the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, then find distance of AB. The first sub-question is x is equal to 1 and y equal to 7. Then first write, here it is the solution. Coordinate of A and coordinate of B is given as x and y. Therefore, the coordinate of the point A is x is equal to 1 and coordinate of point B is y, that is equal to 7. Since 7 is greater than 1, therefore distance of AB equal to 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Therefore distance of AB equal to 6. And second question, x is equal to 6 and y equal to -2. Solution, here also write the coordinate of the point A is 6 and coordinate of the point B is y, that is equal to -2. And here we know that 6 is greater than -2. Therefore distance of AB equal to 6 minus -2, that is equal to 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. Therefore distance of AB equal to 8. Question number 5. X is equal to -3 and y equal to -6. The solution. Coordinate of the point A is x is equal to -3 and coordinate of the point B is y, that is equal to -6. Then which number is the here greater number? -3 is greater than -6. Therefore distance of AB equal to greater number minus smaller number, that is equal -3 minus -6, that is equal -3 plus 6 is equal to 3. Therefore distance of AB equal to 3. And question 6, x is equal to 4 and y equal to -8. Then solution, coordinate of the point A is x is equal to 4 and coordinate of the point B is y equal to -8. Since 4 greater than -8, therefore distance of AB equal 4 minus -8, that is equal 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Therefore distance of AB equal to 12. Question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, then state so. The first sub-question is distance of PR is equal to 7 and distance of PQ equal to 10 and distance of QR is equal to 3. In this question, we have to find if the points are collinear, then which of the point is between the other two. First solution, we have to write what is given in the question. Distance of PR is equal to 7 and distance of PQ is equal to 10 and distance of QR is equal to 3. And first to check here which distance is the greater number. Therefore, d of PQ is equal to 10. That is equation number 1. And you have to check whether the sum of other two is equal to 10 or not. Therefore, d of PR plus d of QR is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. That is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, distance of PQ is equal distance of PR plus distance of QR. In this equation, the betweenness condition is satisfied. Therefore, the point R is between the point P and Q. That is P dash R dash Q or Q dash R dash P. Therefore, the points P, R and Q are collinear. Second question, distance of RS is equal to 8 and distance of ST is equal to 6 and distance of RT is equal to 4. Solution, first you have to write what is given in the question. There is distance of RS is equal to 8 and distance of ST is equal to 6 and distance of RT is equal to 4. And here first to check, here it is the which is the greater distances. That is, you have to write equation number 1. Therefore, distance of RS is equal to 8. That is equation 1. Then to check, is the sum of other two distance equal to 8 or not. Therefore, distance of ST plus distance of RT is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. That is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, distance of RS is not equal to distance of ST plus distance of RT. That means the betweenness condition is not satisfied here. Therefore, the points R, S and T are not collinear. Question number 4. Distance of LM is equal to 11 and distance of MN is equal to 12 and distance of NL is equal to 8. Then solution. First write given distance of LM is equal to 11, distance of MN is equal to 12 and distance of NL is equal to 8. And first to write which is the greater distance, you have to write the equation number 1. Therefore, distance of MN is equal to 12. That is equation number 1. Then next to write sum of the other two distances. That is distance of LM plus distance of NL is equal to 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. That is equation number 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, distance of MN not equal to distance of LM plus distance of NL. Therefore, the betweenness condition is not satisfied here. Therefore, the points L, M and N are not collinear. Question 5. Distance of XY is equal to 15, distance of YZ is equal to 7 and distance of XZ is equal to 8. Solution. First write given distance of XY is equal to 15 and distance of YZ is equal to 7 and distance of XZ is equal to 8. The greater distance you have to write the equation number 1. Therefore, d of xy is equal to 15. That is equation 1. And you have to check whether the sum of other two distance is equal to 15 or not. Therefore, d of xz plus d of yz is equal to 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. From equation 1 and 2, distance of xy is equal to distance of xz plus distance of yz. Therefore, the betweenness condition is satisfied here. Therefore, the point Z is between the points x and y. That is, x dash z dash y or y dash z dash x. Therefore, the points x, z and y are collinear. Question for practice. The coordinate of 2 points P and Q are x and y respectively. Find distance of PQ in the following cases. First one, x equal to -8 and y equal to -3. Second question, x equal to 5 and y equal to -9. Thank you children. To be continued.